How to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete Facebook Lite account permanently. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application. So once you're inside here, just tap on this three dot icon or that is a hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you're inside here, just click on this settings option over here. Just scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Just tap on settings, and once you tap on settings, just click on this see more in account center, and from over here just click on this personal details, and you can see the option called account ownership and control. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the option called deactivation or deletion. So again, tap on your profile from over here, and you will be seeing two different options. So just click on this delete account option and just click on continue, and you may have to specify your region and just click on any of the region just like this and click on continue once again, and it will ask you to continue. Click on continue, and finally you can also download your info. If you have like photos of posts that is too important, before deleting you can also download your info or also transfer a copy of your information. So just click on continue if you want, and finally you have to re-enter your password and click on continue to successfully delete or remove your Facebook account inside Facebook Lite permanently. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.